Hello guys, it's me Avas and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the best asset management software that you can have and you can try it. You can check that software out. So let's get started. First of all you have to open your browser and then you have to search here. You just have to search here manage engine and then press enter. You just have to click on IT asset management software management engine asset explorer and then just click on it. And here you can see you can download this manage engine asset explorer, and it is one of the best asset management software that you can have right now. It has also asset tracking software and software asset management and everything that your business needs. So it also has a mobile phone app on their own, and you can just download it from here. And it is one of the best software asset management so in the industry right now. I am going to explain some of their key features to you. Here is the first. Asset discovery and inventory automatically discovers, scans and tracks hardware and software asset within your network, providing detailed inventory management. Software license and compliance management software license and ensures compliance and tracks renewals to avoid over licensing or under utilization. The third is life cycle and contract management, manages the entire life cycle of IT assets from procurement to retirement, including vendor and contract management with renewal alerts. So the fourth key feature is customizable reports and integrations, offers customizable reports and dashboards, integrates with IT service management tools, and provides both cloud on premises deployment options. So I hope you might find this video helpful and informative to you. You can also check out one of the best asset management, IT asset management software in the industry, as I have shown you step by step. Comment down below to resolve more issues and share this video to your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.